If you want to start using Revolut, you should click on the link in the description to create an account. To create a verified Revolut account, if you haven't verified your account, click the Submit Document button that shows in Revolut homepage. Once you click in, you'll be redirecting to verify your identity. The valid IDs you can present is depends on the country you are living or you registered here in Revolut account. But in this case, I am registered to United Kingdom. That's why I need to verify my identity using passport and driving's license. Now in this case, I will choose the passport. Just select it and click continue button. And once you click in, it will redirect you to a scanner where your passport will be scanned. And that's it. That's how you create a verified Revolut account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.